SK Rajan here, delivering chosen spiritual messages by Patriji. This day, 14 January 2019. Excerpts from the book Bringers of the Dawn by Barbara Masniak. Teachings of the Pleiadians, 10th, 11th, 12th chakras. When human DNA begins to rebundle as a 12-stranded helix system and the information is acted upon, there will be incredible power. Individuals, simply by coming together and jointly intending what they want, jointly becoming a telepathic receptacle for energies from all over the cosmos, will change the face of the universe. As your 10th, 11th, and 12th chakras begin to open themselves, many off-planet energies will appear in your lives. These energies will occur on the planet as more and more of you hold the higher frequencies. The 10th chakra connects with the solar system, the 11th with the galaxy, and the 12th with a place in the universe. Earth is an exciting place to be at this time. Thank you.